ASTM D7954 has one great nickname, and that is the roof moisture scan. Its purpose is to identify leaks or moisture of any kind within a roof system. Now, a lot of people think that this test cannot pinpoint a leak or a breach. That's not accurate. By dialing in the equipment, you can get down to a narrowly focused area and identify those leaks in a roof system very easily. So the best time to do this test is after all of those people that are going to cause holes, tears, damage to that roof system are off the roof. So that means closer to the end of the project. A passing result means there is no water in the roof system. Now that means there's no screw holes or failed seams allowing water in, but it also means that there weren't any rain events during construction that might have gotten into the roof system but aren't attributable to a breach. A failing result is pretty simple. It means there's water in the roof system, whether from a screw hole, a bad seam, a penetration, or rain events that occurred during the construction process. That water can be in the system and eventually cause it to delaminate or cause damage to it. So that would be a failing result. That water needs to be mitigated and the roof repaired. The pros of this test are simply that the owner, the builder, and the roofer can know that they provided an intact roof system that has no water in it from damage or from the construction process. It does have to rain. Simply wetting down the roof would not be enough, so you need to wait until the first rain event and then you can perform this test. The owner, the roofer, and the contractor are going to be watching that first rain, and it's the perfect chance to get out and perform a test within a couple of weeks after that. You also need a skilled technician, someone who understands roof systems and how to use the equipment. When you avoid those cons, this is an extremely high-value test that we highly recommend for your roof.